Hello everyone, I welcome all of you for today's presentation. Let me introduce my topic, metrorrhagia. Metrorrhagia is the term that is derived from the word metro, which means measure, and rhagia, which means abnormal flow. Thus, metrorrhagia can be defined as the abnormal bleeding that occurs between periods or that is not associated with menstruation. It can also be defined as the irregular acyclic bleeding from the uterus in the form of contact bleeding or intermenstrual bleeding in an otherwise normal cycle is also included. The causes can be classified under three headings: causes of contact bleeding, causes of acyclic bleeding, and causes of intermenstrual bleeding. Causes of contact bleeding include cancer of cervix, mucus polyp of cervix, vascular ectopy of the cervix, especially during pregnancy, pill-use cervix, infections such as chlamydial or tubercular cervicitis, cervical endometriosis. Causes of acyclic bleeding include dysfunctional uterine bleeding, usually during adolescence, following childbirth and abortion, and also preceding menopause. Submucous fibroid, uterine polyp, cancer of cervix, and endometrial carcinoma. Causes of intermenstrual bleeding include urethral caruncle, ovular bleeding, breakthrough bleeding in pill use, IUCD in utero, and decubitus ulcer. Symptoms. Main symptom of metrorrhagia is light to heavy bleeding between regular menstrual period. The menstrual cramps or abdominal pain with bleeding. A miscarriage or ectopic pregnancy may cause severe cramps with bleeding. Diagnosis. You should contact your doctor if you experience bleeding between periods or bleeding after you have completed menopause. You have to note that it is helpful to keep a record of your periods and irregular bleeding to bring your appointments. Apart from that, blood test to check for disorders that cause bleeding, nutritional deficiencies, or infections. Test to check your hormone level and thyroid function. Urine samples to check for pregnancy, infection, or other sexually transmitted diseases. Ultrasound of your abdomen and pelvis, including transvaginal ultrasound. CT scan or MRIs, pap smear to test for cervical cancer, other tissue biopsy to look for other types of cancer. Laparoscopy and laparotomy is also used. Treatment. Treatment for metrorrhagia will be specific to its cause as well as the individual needs of the patient. Some treatment will be safer and more effective than others. For example, while hormonal contraception can be used to treat abnormal uterine bleeding, birth control pills may not be appropriate for a person with a history of blood clots. Pharmacological therapy include NSAIDs and antibiotics for sexually transmitted diseases. Hormonal therapy include birth control pills, IUDs, estrogen patches, gonadotropin releasing hormone agonist. You have to note that, however, these medications can only be used short term and can have many side effects. Treatment for cancer may include chemotherapy and radiation. Surgical procedure include dilatation and curettage and also hysterectomy. Complications. If untreated, cancer is the complication. Thank you. Have a nice day.